Zip harness failure. Turn it on. Oh, come down. Watch the igniter get cherry. Blowers on. You'll hear the something kick on there in a second. And now is when it's supposed to start blowing gas. Appears not to, and it shuts down, but the blower continues to run. And it will just sit here and run like this until I turn it off and try again. Sometimes this works and it lights up, sometimes it doesn't. Manna Air Commander High Efficiency Furnace.